Hey guys, it is Danae with Paparazzi Jewelry, and let me give you some information. I've had a lot of people asking me if you can actually make money selling paparazzi. The simple answer is yes. Yes, you can make a profit. A lot of companies, you need to actually grow your team before you start to see any profits. Well, let me show you how you can, on your own, bring in profit. Here we go. Okay, so let me see if I can break this down for you guys. So if I buy 100 pieces, okay, those are going to cost me $291.50. That is going to include my Michigan tax of 6%. Okay? Then I'm going to take those 100 pieces and I'm going to sell those for $5 each because all our jewelry cost is $5. And then I'm going to make $500. Then if I take that $500 and subtract the $291.50, I'm left with $208.50. As consultants, we get one free piece for every 10 we order. If I order 100, I'm going to get 10 free. If I sell those for $5 each, that is another $50. And you add that up here, you end up with $258.50. This is my profit if I buy 100 pieces and sell those. It is not hard to sell 100 pieces. So, here's your investment. Here's your profit. And you can reinvest this and do it all over again. Easy ways to sell the 100 pieces. You can do Facebook Live parties like I do. You can do home parties. You can vend. You can do album sales in a Facebook group. And lots of other ways to do that. We make 45% commission on all of our sales, even off the website. So, again, you invest $291 for 100 pieces. That turns into $500. You subtract what you invested so you can reinvest it, and you can see that your profit can be $258.50. Now, that is based on Michigan tax, so yours may vary. Some states don't even have tax. The other way you can earn money in this company is to build a team. And then you'll get commission off your team. Yay, smiley face. But as you can see, yes, you can absolutely make money off of paparazzi on your own, even if you have not built a team yet. There's also other perks and stuff that come with being a paparazzi consultant. If you want to know more of them, then please do let me know. I hope that helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. My contact information will be either on this video or in the comments. And I'll be happy to tell you how to get started with paparazzi